Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 7 of the Strip Plaza. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we added some room tags, and as you can see, we have the tags for the ground floor and second floor, but I missed this side, so I'm gonna add this, and we're gonna add color scheme for the rooms, so that it is graphically better to look at. So for now, let's add rooms for this area. So I'm just adding room tags. And then let's change the name. This will be back room 1, copy, room 2, back room 4, and then lastly 5. So to change the color scheme, you just need to go to properties, scroll down, and look for color scheme. At the moment, it's none, so click on that. After that, click on this drop down and choose rooms. And then after that, click on name, and you can see all the names of the rooms for level 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit apply and then OK. And as you can see, it changed the colors. Let's go to second floor and let's do the same thing. So go to your properties, click on this, go to categories and the drop down, choose rooms and click on the name and then apply. We can also add a room name on the stairs. So this will be stair 1 and stairs 2. So this 2, one. So we're good with this. You can add room separator like this so that you can differentiate from corridor 1 and then the stairs. So now it's ready. We can add room tag again. Like again, change the name. And then I just noticed that I forgot to put the elevator sign as well for second floor and first floor. So let me do that. So here, let's add in elevator, and then go to ground floor. So the second should be elevator. Two, and this will be elevator 1. So it looks like we're done with the room tagging. What we could do is we could start doing our scheduling. So click on schedule and quantities and all. Right click and then click on use schedule. Look for room schedule. So room, right here, and then press OK. What we need are area, name, level, and then number. Let's move this at the top. Level, and then lastly the number and area. After that, go to sorting, and let's sort it first with level 1 with a header, and then after that sort it by name. Let's add in grand total, total only, and then formatting. Go to number. Let's actually click on area and then calculate total and then press OK. We will have the room schedule. So we have the name, so we have the level, which is ground floor and second floor, and the number, the room number that corresponds with it, and then the area plus the total area, so the grand total. So next thing we're gonna do is let's create a schedule for the doors. So look for doors, choose family and type, count, and then level. Let's move the level on the second row and then count. Go to sorting, put in a header for the level, and then family type, and then check the grand total, and should be total only, and then go to formatting, click on count, and then calculate total. Press OK. So we have our count right here, with the grand total of 36. We sorted out from ground floor and then second floor as well. So now let's create the one for the window. So again, right click, new schedule, look for window, click OK, same count, family type, and then level. Make sure family type is first, and then count will be the last. Go to sorting, level. We're gonna sort by level first with a header, and then family type without header. Check this grand total, and this will be total only. Go to formatting, click count, and then calculate totals, and then press OK. It will generate, and as you can see, we have this, so for ground floor and second floor. So we have our schedules. Now we could create our sheet. So right click on the sheet and then click new sheet. Let's use A0 metric and then press OK. With this, we could add in our schedules. So let's add in the room first. So room schedule like this. And then doors and windows. Let me fix this. Delete this and door. I'm gonna expand it from here. Okay, and then let's go back to the sheet. And try to move this again. After this, let's add in the window schedule. Something like this. Delete this and add this again. So we have this. Now we could add our ground floor. So let me go to ground floor first. Let's add in some dimensions. and then after that total dimension. Save this and do it again for the second floor. Something like that. What you have to do is you have to duplicate and check crop view. Fix it like this. And then do it for the second floor as well. And then go back to sheet and drag and drop. Uncheck this again. Change this to 1 is to 100. For the second floor, make sure that your underlay range base is none. That's because it's showing the ground floor. Then go back to your sheet and try to drop it. It's still too massive, so I'm gonna delete it. Go back here and put it in 1 is to 200. And the second floor as well. So 1 is to 200 is good. Now let's add it at the top. Something like this. Print. I'm just changing the name. And then we could create a section and elevation. So for our section, go to ground floor, create a section all the way like this. After that, you'll have a section appearing here. Go to your A1, A0, and actually let's go back to section, change the scale, like this. And then drop it again. For our elevation, I'm gonna put the south elevation. So before that, let's change the graphic display option. Show ambient shadow. So let's select all elevation. Select architecture elevation. And then detail level, coarse, make it fine. Edit shadow, show ambient shadow, depth curing, apply, and then press OK. Just double checking everything. And then one by one, check graphic. Okay. And then let's go now to our sheet. And let's see if So my mistake, it needs to be 1 to 200. Apply. So it changed. So I'm gonna add the south first. So let's edit this. So you need to check all of this and double click this after. So this is good enough. Let's add this one here. And then add in east, west, and north. Click this. Apply. And we're gonna change the size of this. And double click this. So click this again and check everything. Then after that you can edit this size. And then lastly, west. Then again, make this short. Click this view. Scroll down. Check all this. Hit apply, and you'll be able to change this view. Let's zoom in, and I'm just gonna stretch this a little bit, and then double click outside, fix this view. We can actually create one more section so that everything is even. I'm gonna move this for now here. So let's go back to ground floor and click on your section, and let's create a section here. So this will be section 2. Go back to our sheet. Let's change this to 1:200. And then find and then click the section now and drag it. So let's clean this up. And then let's go to 3D view. Let's create a copy or a duplicate. And then this duplicate 1:200 as well. And then drag it. So let's fix this. So this is good. We just need to move this right here and create more space. Something like this. So we finished creating our design for our Strip Plaza. We have the floor plan, room tag, room schedule, door schedule, window schedule, sections, a 3D, and elevations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.